Hey guys, what is going on? It's Hamish, and I wanted to give something to the Etsy sellers among us today. This is Google AdWord Keyword Planner. If you watch my last video, and I will leave it at the end of this video, if you cannot get to this screen, watch that video. It will show you exactly how to get to this tool. It's completely free. All of the data is accurate, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use it to find out what is selling on Etsy today. Okay, let's get into it. Once you're on this screen, again, watch my video. If you don't know how to get to the screen, click on, that was the wrong one, discover new keywords, and then we're actually going to click on start with a website, and we're just going to type in etsy.com here, and we're going to press get results. Obviously, sorry, we need to change the language, so if you're in a different country, the same thing will happen to you guys. So we're going to add UK, we're going to make the language English, and we're going to also look at the US, obviously. You can also just look at every country, honestly. You can add Germany, I don't know, Australia, France, I don't know, whatever. Let's just press save here. And then we're just going to click here again, and make sure we're using the entire site. Yes, we are. Get results. And then we're going to click on 3-month change here. So if we read what this means, it means 3-month change. So it shows a 3-month change in search trends by comparing the latest month's data. So July or June, July. Oh my God. With the data from 2 months prior. For example, if the latest month is July, which it actually is, the July data would be compared to May to show the change in search volume between those 2 months. Okay, so this is what is currently trending on Etsy, and we can just have a look at some of these. So it depends what you're selling. If you're selling something specific, you can also do it like this. So let's say we're selling candles. We want results from Etsy. We can do the same thing. Press search again. Mahogany apple candle. Wow, 10,000 searches a month. Let's see where Etsy is here. God, that many people search for candles. Only 92 results. So if you are selling candles, I've just given you perhaps one of the best opportunities you will ever see. I didn't expect this to work so well. Fall candles. This works a lot better than I actually thought. Oh, sorry, I'm so used to searching for Redbubble, guys. Sorry about that. Honestly, every single one of my videos recently has just been Redbubble. Okay. Yeah, guys, you can see already this is absolutely freaking insane. Maybe this is because I'm delivering to Italy. So let's change it to, otherwise everyone will just comment saying, oh, but it's way more in the US. Yeah, okay. So it actually is way more in the US, so you guys are completely right. Let's just check mahogany apple candle again. Okay, so it has got a lot more results than I originally thought, but it is still a very, very good keyword. This will be too popular. It will have too many results. There's no point even checking it. Sea and sand candles. I would love a sea and sand candle right about now. 1,100 results. I don't know how many that is for Etsy, but it really doesn't seem that much. Let's add some more things to the niche, or let's get rid of this one. Let's say we're selling, I don't know, carvings. So, chainsaw carvings, wooden elephant statue. Okay. I like it. Probably got 10,000 results. 3,000 results, not even that many, to be honest. Fruit sculptures. What? Okay, this doesn't actually seem like that popular a niche. This is a good one. Oh, 4,400 results. Never mind. Seems like it's a really, really big niche on Etsy, but the interest isn't that large. So this is another good thing that you can do, is you can check to see whether what you're selling on Etsy actually has some demand. Let's have a look at some things here, okay? Because I actually don't know what is sold on Etsy, so it's better that we check here. Looks like pillows. Let's say we're selling pillows. This also works with print on demand. So if you're a print on demander, this will work for you as well. Throw pillows. That has up to 1 million searches every month. What? That's pretty insane. Japanese pillow for neck pain, huh? What is this? A buckwheat pillow. I bet this would be a good dropshipping product. You could probably dropship this on Etsy, although Etsy doesn't appear apparently. AliExpress does though, very interestingly. This would probably be a good dropshipping product, guys. Pancake pillow. What is that about? Oh, it's a brand. Never mind. Hungarian goose down pillows. What? Insane niche. Okay, let's look for handmade stuff. I'm trying to help the handmade people among us. What do people sell? I don't even know what people sell on Etsy. This is my problem. Let's just do a search can you just do a search? Oh yeah, start with a website, obviously. Get results. I'll find some niches here because I actually don't know the niches. So mug, I guess, looks like an interesting niche. So let's do mug. Get results. 3-month change. Yeti coffee mug. Tiki mugs. Dad mug. Cat paw cups. Okay, I'm intrigued. Only 2,800 results. Interesting. Snail mug. 1.9 thousand results. Okay. Grandpa mug. Campfire mugs. Mugs are super popular on Etsy, it seems. I think, yeah, if you're selling mugs, then definitely Etsy is the way to go here. Gingerbread man mug. 2,000 results. All of it seems like everything has just been done to death, honestly. But still, like, they have a lot less. Okay, well, it's got a lot of results. It has a lot less results. Oh, that's an amazing keyword. Than, for example, Redbubble would for these keywords. 1.5 thousand. Seems like Etsy is really ahead of the game here. Let's see where Redbubble is, just out of curiosity. 235 results. Interesting, guys. Let's keep looking. Slush mug, I don't know what that means. Okay, let's see what other niches there are. So we'll go back on here. Again, I only have to do this because I'm not on Etsy. So if you're on Etsy and you're selling something, then obviously you know what you're selling. So oh, that's an interesting one. Necklace, best friend necklace, Etsy. The word Etsy itself being in the search is super interesting. Let's see how many results. 104,000, bloody hell. Let's say you're selling jewelry though, so you go back to here, start with the keyword, necklace. Jewel. Surely I can spell jewelry. Jewelry. Oh, come on, really? Can I not even spell the word jewelry anymore? Is that how you spell jewelry? What about in Britain? Jewelry. Wait, no, that's how we spell it in Britain, guys. Okay, it's fine. Why do people in America spell it like that? What the hell? I did not know that. Okay. Let's just get some results here and see what comes up. And then another really interesting thing is this thing here. Okay. So personalized jewelry, designer jewelry, fashion accessory, gold jewelry, fashion jewelry, etc. Okay. So anklet. That would be an interesting niche within a niche. So if we wanted to, I'm just going to quickly get rid of these. You can always re-add them at another time. Just want to search for anklets. It's got up to 1 million results. I reckon anklets are something that are probably selling pretty well right now. Let's see. Stone anklets. 17,000. I was not expecting there to be that many results. I guess all of these will have loads of results on Etsy because they're just the kind of niches that have already been done to death. I wonder if there's a way to get things that are... Yeah, here we go. Silver anklets with black beads, up to 100 searches a month. 5,149 results. What? Oh my god, I feel so bad for Etsy sellers. Like, the amount of these people who are probably just drop shippers is disturbing. And it must really suck for people who are making things by hand. Yeah, honestly, I think Etsy is a bit dead for people who are hand making things because it's just being taken over. I think, yeah, that would have been a good niche, but it seems that it's just been done to death already, unfortunately. Oh, interesting. Sea glass jewellery. Interesting. What? 120,000 results? What is going on? What? Oh, Etsy is awful, guys. Etsy just has way too much competition. If you're selling on Etsy, I would honestly consider making your own website. If you're watching this video and you want to know more about that, please let me know, because I feel so bad for people who are selling on Etsy right now. What is a wax warmer when it's at home? No idea. Snowman wax burner. Okay. Seems to be a thing. What is a wax burner? Isn't it just a candle? Wait, what's going on? What is a wax burner? Wax warmer, wax melt burner. I don't know what they are. Can people not just get candles? Like, what? So maybe if you're selling candles, then you should have a look at wax warmers, I guess. Could be an interesting niche to get into. Fall wax warmer. Seems like it's very not as competitive. Results 2,636. That's quite long. Interesting. I don't know what wax warmer is. I'm gonna have a look quickly. Wax warmer. I don't even know what wax warmer is still. Okay guys, you get the idea. Use this in combination with starting with the website etsy.com, having a look through here. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this helps, because I feel really bad for Etsy sellers. I would recommend making your own website, because at this point Etsy just seems way too over competitive. Okay, thanks for watching and peace out.